Hey girls, I just wanted to thank you two for all the help today with the snow blowing. It's been a stressful day for you two, hey? Good evening, I guess. It's 5:35 in the evening in beautiful British Columbia, in the Cariboo. As you can see, it's snowing very heavily. In the last 2 days, I think we've got about, I'm thinking 18 inches of snow, and as you can see, doesn't seem to be letting up anytime soon. So I am loading up my firewood, and I'll be taking it into the house, and hopefully I'll have about a week's worth of firewood inside. As you can see on the roof, there's a pile of snow up there, and it's still coming. I spent about 3 hours yesterday snow blowing, and so far 3 hours today snow blowing, and probably 3 hours tomorrow snow blowing. Anyways, hopefully you're having a great day. Well, I just came in from snow blowing, and this is what the two puppies have been doing all day while it's been snowing, pretty much. You can see the Lucy and the Noni with the tail going. Noli.